Okay, then in the second half, 1951 for the Rams. But that's the pace they're on tonight.
Can't come in and see their family that is sick. But we do everything we can to connect them. We'll make phone calls for them, FaceTime them. It's just hard.
Emily.
I'm a 14-year-old who stayed home out of the war and was with my mom and my
aren't the ones who have any stake in Liberty University, and like they're not trying to impress you and me. Like I'm not surprised, I guess is what I'm saying.
Here's what I think the incentive could be for them. They have a shitty reputation right now that only seems to be getting worse every time Falwell speaks. And every time this stuff breaks in the news, and I feel like we still haven't heard.
We're registered voters. Detroit is a majority Democrat city. It's nearly 80% African American. Registered voters in Detroit this summer who had phone numbers in the 313 Detroit area code. They started getting calls that kind of seemed like crimes. And I'm going to play the call for you here. I will tell you before I play it that it is what you're about to hear.
Mix a yodel track with the sad piano from the Incredible Hulk.
Right? Or try to auto tune it so that it's more minor sounding or something. I don't know how you would do it. Someone crowdsourcing.
Major to minor yodel.
Is there any sad yodeling, or is it all just happy good times? All right.
I hope.
Whoa.
Is there sad yodeling becomes the
yeah.
of this podcast.
There we go.
Joe Biden will become the 46th president of the United States.
Wow. What a fucking dick.
How good the time is. And then you got a full pizza crust in your beard. It's not even
Bro.
That's crazy.
You have a stop sign.
Did you put your head through it like a Victorian rough and ate your way out? Is that what you did?
Yes.
I don't give you ideas.
What the fuck?
We want to hire you as a recruiter, which all colleges have. Go to high schools, find seniors who may want to come here, and sell them the school, right? We want them to give us tuition, so bring them here. They liked him, and they liked Dr. Anthony Moore. They liked the job he was doing. So later, they gave him a job as a theology professor. Whoa. He could just do that. Yeah. He also was a basketball coach. He was a special advisor on diversity. He played a lot of different roles.
Sorry, really quick. Central President of the University, tell me he.
Being non-compliant, which, yes, correct. They have been an increasing target of hate crimes lately, and that's awful. But guess who was being non-compliant in the moment?
Absolutely.
Jesus Christ!
The real unemployment rate is 26.1. It's listed as 7.9. Because if you take everybody who has a part-time job or wants a full-time job, everybody who has no job, and everyone who's just given up,
Not a very classy position, is it? Neither is your trashy little bitter personality towards white men. Only in a world where journalism is controlled by brain-dead liberals do you people even have jobs. Signed, Months.
What's wrong with you?
Wow. Well.
Yeah.
Well.
You betray the law!
Opening Arguments is brought to you by BetterHelp. Is there something interfering with your happiness or preventing you from achieving your goals?
Oh, wow.
Yeah,